Hey, my name is Stefan Pylarinos, and I want to welcome you to the K Money Mastery website. On this website, I'm going to reveal to you my proven step-by-step method to making a six-figure passive income with Kindle Publishing, and I'm going to share with you how you can get started making money with Kindle today. Now, before I get into that, let me share with you a little bit about myself. First, I'm not one of these internet gurus that hides behind a computer screen and has this elaborate presentation that's focused on scamming you. I'm a real person making real money online, and I want to be as open and transparent with you as possible about exactly how much money I'm making with Kindle and how you can do the same as well. Now, I've been doing online marketing for a number of years now, and I've done almost everything out there. I've made money with affiliate marketing, I've created and sold my own information products, I've done search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, blogging. In fact, I have a very successful blog called projectlifemastery.com, as well as a YouTube channel. And if you go on over there, you can see that I have thousands of followers and subscribers, and I'm just a real guy that's focused on helping people. Now, the reason why I got attracted to making money with Kindle in the first place is because out of all the methods that I've done with making money online, I've discovered that making money with Kindle is by far the easiest and fastest way to get started making money on the internet today. In fact, you can literally publish a book today and less than 24 hours from now have that book published on Amazon.com, making you passive income. And the great thing is you don't need to know internet marketing or technical computer stuff or graphic design or web design or copywriting or SEO. In fact, you don't even need to be able to write your own books. With my method, I'm going to share with you how you can outsource and automate this entire process. I'm going to share with you how you can hire native English-speaking writers to write your Kindle books for you inexpensively, as well as get your Kindle book covers done for as low as $5. Now, let me share with you exactly how I got into Kindle Publishing. I have a few ebooks that I sell on different websites for a number of years now, and these are ebooks that are basically different home remedies that treat different skin conditions. And what I decided to do was take those ebooks and just publish them as Kindle books on Amazon.com just to see what would happen. And right away, I was blown away by the results. I immediately started making money without even doing anything. I was making around $300 a month. And so I knew that there was potential there. In fact, Kindle has grown 119% every single year, and it's not slowing down because more and more people are consuming information in digital formats. They're consuming information on their computers, their tablets, their smartphones, and their Kindle readers. And so it's a trend that's not going away. It's just growing every single year. And so soon after that, I decided to take content from my Project Life Mastery blog as well as YouTube channel and have it rewritten into Kindle books and publish them on Amazon, and I was blown away by the results. My income went from $300 a month up to $4,000 a month passive income within only 3 months. And so I just started scaling it up more from there. And since then, I've taught this to my friends, my family, my sister who's a stay-at-home mom and doesn't know any internet marketing experience. She's done this and had a lot of success with it. My brother, even my mom who's in her 60s approaching retirement, she's had success with Kindle as well. I've now coached dozens of people now one-on-one through my blog and coaching program, and I've seen so many people be able to quit their jobs, be financially free, travel the world, and just live a life that they only could have dreamed of. So I now personally make a six-figure passive income from Kindle, and I decided that I'd create a course that teaches everything that I do, and it's called K Money Mastery.